Cash purchase transaction configuration. A cash purchase occurs when a business pays for goods or services immediately upon ordering or delivery. No credit is extended by the supplier. No account payable is created. The resulting expenses are posted immediately to an expense account, regardless of whether the business uses accrual or cash basis accounting. Record following cash purchase transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details. Company made purchase of a laptop assets from Jeevan Electronics Private Limited worth Rs 35,000. Dated on 10th of April 2023 via check payment. Invoice number JE015. Check number 100502. Dated on 10th of April 2023. Favoring name Vijay Electronics Private Limited. Here in this transaction, we can see a laptop being purchased against payment of check. As payment has been made immediately, hence this transaction will be called as cash purchase. Let's see how to record a cash purchase of laptop in Tally Prime. To access purchase voucher in Tally Prime, we should navigate to Vouchers option from the Transactions from Gateway of Tally. To select Purchase Voucher, press F9. A purchase voucher in Tally Prime can be recorded as item invoice format. To record purchase of inventory as accounting invoice, to record expenses under accounting format, as voucher, to record purchase expenses under debit credit to and by voucher format mode. Here, as we are not making any purchase of any item, so we can select either accounting invoice format or we can record entry as voucher format. Let's record this purchase of laptop under accounting invoice format. Select accounting invoice format. Before processing purchase voucher in Tally Prime, we can access F12 configure option. To configure purchase related general details, enable show more configurations to view more general details. General details such as provide supplier details, provide receipt voucher and import details, provide order details, provide import details, use default bill-wise details for bill allocation, provide additional descriptions for ledgers, provide supplier invoice details, modify all fields during voucher entry, skip the date field during voucher creation, show turnover from selected party account, show current balance of ledgers, show balances as on voucher date, show final ledger balance. Under bank details, print check after saving voucher, show check details before printing, use default bank allocations, use auto check numbering, select check range, remove bank date while altering reconciled voucher. Here, we can configure any of the information if required related to purchase transaction. Here, we can configure the option as default, enter and accept. Cash purchase transaction account invoice. Let's record cash purchase of laptop from Jeevan Electronics Private Limited, dated on 10th of April against check payment. Press F2 to change voucher date. 10th of April. Supplier invoice number as JE015. Dated on 10th of April. Party name. As this is a cash purchase, hence we will not select a party name over here. Instead of party, we will select ledger as HDFC bank account. Enter. Receipt details. Receipt related to purchase of material or services. As of now, we will skip this information. Enter to accept. Here, under party details, we need to update details of supplier, such as supplier bill from, mailing name, address, state and country. We can further access F12 configure option to configure additional information, such as provide separate buyer and consignee details, provide mailing name, provide PIN code. Let's enable provide PIN code as yes. Now, as we have made purchase from Jeevan Electronics Private Limited, here we can see name of supplier is not available under list of ledger accounts. So, the option available with us whether to create a ledger master using create option, or we can enter manually using new party details. If the transaction with the supplier is on regular basis, then it is advisable to choose option create, or if it is any occasional transaction, then instead of creating a party master, we can select option new party. Let's select option new party. Party name Jeevan Electronics Private Limited. Enter. Address A11 Sundar Tech Tower, Andheri West, Mumbai. State Maharashtra. Country India. PIN code 400059. Enter to accept. Under particulars, as we made purchase of laptop, that is business assets, hence we will select ledger as laptop. As laptop ledger is not created, hence we have option to choose create option under list of ledger accounts, or we can press shortcut key Alt C to create ledger account from transaction level. Enter name as laptop. Grouped under fixed assets. Other information default. Enter to accept. Amount 35,000. Enter. As it is a cash transaction, hence Tally will ask to provide transaction details. Transaction details as method of payment. As the payment has been made through check, we will select transaction type as check. Press spacebar to see transaction type in Tally Prime. We can select check option. Amount 35,000. Check range not applicable. Check number, that is instrument number 100502. Instrument date 10th of April 2023. Favoring name Vijay Electronics Private Limited. Enter. Remarks because laptop. Enter. Email ID if needed. Enter to accept. Update narration. Being laptop purchase on cash via check payment. Enter to accept voucher. So in this way, we can record cash purchase transaction using purchase vouchers accounting invoice format. Cash purchase transaction voucher format. Let's record one more cash purchase transaction under voucher format. Record following cash purchase transaction in the books of Rainbow Trade House India Private Limited. Transaction details: an invoice of Rs 25,000 dated on 15th of April 2023 submitted by Kumar and Company, invoice number KK159 for their audit services to company, needs to be paid immediately in given bank account. As per information, we need to record an expense invoice for audit service and payment to be made immediately via online. Let's record this purchase voucher under voucher format. To change format, press Ctrl H, select as voucher, press F2 to change date 15th of April 2023. Supplier invoice number as KK159. As payment has been made to supplier's bank account, hence under credit, we will select bank account as HDFC. Enter. Receipt details. As of now, we will skip the receipt details. Under party details, select option as New Party, Kumar and Company. Enter. Address Mumbai. Enter. State, country, pin code. Enter. Amount 25,000 rupees. Enter. As payment has been made online to the supplier's account, hence transaction type should be selected as e-fund transfer. Press spacebar. Select option as e-fund transfer. Amount 25,000 rupees. Supplier's account number 054 3123 654. IFS code HDFC 0000543. Bank name HDFC bank account. SWIFT code not available. Instrument number UTR 852147963. Instrument date 15th of April 2023. Favoring name Kumar and Company. Enter. Beneficiary code, remarks, email ID if needed. Enter to accept. Here we need to select expense ledger account, that is audit expenses. We will select option Create. Enter ledger name as Audit Expenses. Grouped under Indirect Expenses. Other information as default. Enter to accept. Amount 25,000 rupees. Narration. Being audit service invoice booked against instant payment. Enter and accept. So in this way in Tally Prime, we can record cash purchase transaction using accounting invoice format and accounting voucher format.